ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 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 టీవీ నైన్ కన్నడ నుంచి మీరు ಟೀಸರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನು? ಜೊತೆಗೆ
I don't know. See, I'm not very sure of my successes. For me, every film is like my first film. So I realized to whatever we write, whatever we think in our mind, finally that emotion, that story has to get conveyed to the audience through the faces of the actors. So if you ask me what is my success, I'll say one of my success is that I select the best actors to play the roles of my characters. For instance, in this I have Komaram Bheem and Allur Sita Ramaraju, Ram and Bheem. And it's very important for me to select the right actors for that. And I have fantastic actors, NTR and Charan, to play those characters. And I have Alia Bhatt, who plays a very crucial role when we have these kind of high energy characters on the screen. There needs to be a person who can, control them or unite them or be a bridge between these two forces. So it is very important to select the actors. I think one of the success is that I was able to select very good actors for my films.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಗೂಸ್ ಪಂಪ್ಸ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೇಲರ್ಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮೂವಿ, ಆರ್ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನೂ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೂವಿ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ pulling factor for the audience to come to theater?
Okay, let me put it like this. When I first start off the story in the initial movements, is obviously the movements that will make me go wow. Now it's not about the audience. At that point of time, I don't think of the audience. At that point of time, I think only of myself. Am I going wow? Will I be so interested in putting my time into this venture and then getting those thoughts onto the screen? Because all the thoughts of mine are larger than life. So it will take a lot of time to put them on screen the way I imagined it. So my question to myself is that, is the wow factor so big that I will invest 2 years or 3 years of my time in this particular story? If my yes goes for all those high moments, then I go for them. Obviously, those high moments will make me go forward with the project. But it is not just a high. It is not just the elevations. No, there should be an emotion that supports the elevation. Without that emotion, the high will not be a high at all. You'll just see once and say, this is nice, and it will just fall flat. The emotion should be there at underneath, and every action piece. I was telling last time also, even a song like Natu Natu, Halli Natu song, which is such a mass number with 2 mass heroes, even that has a lot of emotion underneath it. Without emotion, my film will not function. Thank you.